What are some examples of law and economics in practice? Have you ever wondered how the law interacts with economic principles? This relationship is explored in the law and economics specialization, a fascinating area within legal education. This field applies economic concepts to analyze legal rules and policies. Let's look at some real-world examples of how this specialization works in practice. One prominent example is Antitrust and Competition Law. Here, economic analysis helps determine if business practices or mergers harm competition. Courts use this analysis to decide when regulation is necessary to keep markets efficient. Another area is property law. Economic concepts like incentives and transaction costs are applied to understand property rights. This helps in resource allocation and reduces conflicts, promoting efficient use of assets. Contract law is also a key example. It evaluates how contracts can be structured to minimize costs and risks. Legal enforcement plays a significant role in influencing how parties behave in economic transactions. Tort law is another important field. It analyzes liability rules to find a balance between the costs of accidents and the precautions taken. The goal is to create incentives that lower harmful behavior while efficiently allocating losses. Regulatory policy is influenced by law and economics as well. This field informs the design of regulations in areas like environmental law and health and safety. By weighing costs and benefits, regulations can promote social welfare effectively. Law and finance is another critical area of study. It examines how legal rules impact financial markets and investor protection. This interaction influences economic growth and how capital is allocated. In law schools, students engage with these examples through courses and research. They learn to use economic tools like cost-benefit analysis and empirical methods. This training helps them assess legal rules critically and propose reforms. Specialized programs in law and economics often combine law with economics, political science, or public policy. This interdisciplinary approach prepares graduates for careers in academia, government, or private practice. Overall, law and economics provides practical frameworks for understanding how laws shape economic outcomes. It also shows how economic reasoning can improve legal systems. This specialization is increasingly recognized as essential in legal education for its analytical rigor and policy relevance.